Good morning, students. This is your YV Umameshwar sir, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn 4th class English lesson 3 butterflies. Now I am going to read the lesson 3 butterflies. You observe it carefully. You have to read like this. Just this is a model reading. Please kindly observe how I am reading. So I am starting. 3 butterflies lived in a garden. They were friends. One of them was white, one red, and the other yellow. They played and danced together. They flew together and sucked nectar from the flowers. One afternoon, when the butterflies were playing in the garden, it suddenly grew dark and a cold wind blew. It's going to rain. Let's stop playing, said the red butterfly. Suddenly, it started raining, and the 3 butterflies get wet in the rain. They found it difficult to fly. They looked for shelter. They saw a sunflower nearby. It was watching them curiously. Hello, sunflower. It's raining heavily. Can you stay here till it stops raining? Asked the butterflies. The sunflower said, my favorite red and yellow ones, you can stay with me till it stops raining. But I can't let the white one in here. The yellow and the red butterflies replied, no, dear, we won't stay here, sending away our friend in dismay. The rain came down like pebbles on the butterflies. Then the butterflies saw a white lily. This is the white lily. Hello, good lily. It's raining heavily. Open your petals wide and take us into hide, the butterflies begged. My favorite white one, you can stay with me till it stops raining, but I cannot let the other 2 of you here, said the white lily. No, dear, I won't stay here, sending away my friend in dismay, replied the white butterfly. The butterflies were totally wet by then, and it was very difficult for them to fly. They looked at the sky. It was still cloudy. The sun was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. He was pleased to see the love and care among the butterflies. So he chased the clouds away and it stopped raining. The sun dried the butterflies' wings. The 3 butterflies were happy again. They danced in the garden among the flowers till evening. When night fell, the 3 butterflies went to sleep together. So, children, this is about the lesson 3 butterflies. It's a beautiful story of friendship. So, kindly understand the story after reading the lesson. Now I'm telling you brief the content of the lesson and the story. So listen carefully. 3 butterflies lived in a garden. So 3 butterflies are living in a garden. So do you know where the butterflies will fly? Normally we will see the butterflies in the garden. They were friends. They were very friends. One of them was white. One of them was, the color of the butterfly was white color. And one is red and other is yellow. They played and danced. They played and danced together. They used to play and dance together. Normally, what will you do? You and your friends will play and dance together, na? You will play outside the school. What will you do after the school hours? You will go and play outside in the streets, in the ground. You will play and dance and whatever like you will do. Similarly, the butterflies are very close friends. They played and danced together. They flew together and sucked nectar from the flowers. They flew together. They used to fly together and suck nectar from the flowers. Do you know, children, what is nectar? Nectar is a sweet liquid produced by plants and collected by bees. So nectar is a sweet liquid which is produced by plants and it is collected by bees. They used to suck the nectar from the flowers. One afternoon, when the butterflies were playing in the garden, what happened one afternoon when they are playing in the garden? It suddenly grew dark. The light was gone. Now it suddenly grew dark, and a cold wind blew. Cold wind is blowing. It's going to rain. They assessed that it is going to rain because the light was not there and the cold wind is blowing. Let's stop playing, said the red butterfly. The red butterfly is told, friends, let's stop playing because it is going to rain. Suddenly it started raining and the three butterflies get wet in the rain. Suddenly the rain has started and the three butterflies get wet in the rain. They found it difficult to fly because totally they are wet. So they are not unable to fly. They found it very difficult to fly. They looking for shelter. They are looking for shelter because they want to hide somewhere, because everywhere there is rain. Do you know what is shelter? Shelter is a place that protects one from bad weather. Shelter is a place that protects us from bad weather. What will you do when there is rain? Normally we will go to somebody's house and we'll stand there. We'll stand under the sheds because we want to protect from the rain. Similarly, these butterflies also want to protect from the rain. They saw a sunflower nearby. So they saw a sunflower nearby. It was watching them curiously. The sunflower is also watching these butterflies curiously. So they went to the sunflower and said, "Hello, sunflower. It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily, sunflower. Can you stay here till it stops raining? Can you stay here till it stops raining?" Asked the butterflies. Asked the three butterflies. Asked like this. The sunflower said, "My favorite red and yellow ones." Red and yellow butterflies are favorite colors for sunflower. So sunflower was told like this: "My favorite red and yellow ones, you can stay with me till it stops raining. Both of you can stay here till it stops raining. But I can't let the white one in here. But I cannot let the white one here. I don't like white one, so he should not stay here." Then what they told, because they three are good friends, they are they stay all of them together only, so the yellow and the red butterflies replied, "No dear, we won't stay here, we won't stay here." Sending away our friend in dismay. Our friend, we cannot send our friend in dismay. Do you know what is dismay? A feeling of unhappiness and disappointment. A feeling of unhappiness and disappointment. Sad. If you are sad, then we can tell that it is in dismay. So they told clearly to sunflower, "No dear, we won't stay here, we will not stay here," sending our friend in dismay. So the rain came down like pebbles on the butterflies. The rain came down like pebbles. Pebbles means stones. The rain is hitting like stones on the butterflies. But they cannot. They have not stayed at the sunflower. So now what they will do? They went. They went somewhere. Then the butterflies saw a white lily. They saw a white lily. This is the white lily. This is the white lily. They saw a white lily. What they told: "Hello, good lily. It's raining heavily. Hi, lily. It's raining heavily. Open your petals wide and take us into hide." Open your petals. You open your petals wide. So we want to stay there. Take us into hide. Take us there. We will go inside the petals and we will stay there, said the butterflies begged. The butterflies asked with request. "My favorite white one, you can stay with me." Then this Lily's favorite color is white. So Lily has told that, "My favorite white one, you can stay with me till it stops raining. But I cannot let the other two of you here. You can stay with me because white is my favorite color. But I don't like this red and yellow butterflies. So they can't stay with me." So now what the white lily has said? What the "No dear, I won't stay here." Now the white lily has said, "No dear, I won't stay here," sending away my friends in dismay. I can't send my both of the friends in dismay. They are my close friends. We'll stay together. We'll play together. We'll dance together. We'll stay together. We'll work together. We'll eat together. I can't send both my friends in dismay," replied the white butterfly. So the butterflies were totally wet because they are not staying anywhere, because the three are good friends, they want to stay together. So the butterflies were totally wet by then, and it was very difficult for them to fly. It is very difficult for them to fly because their wings are also got wet. They looked at the sky. It was still cloudy. The sky is still cloudy. The sun was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. The sun was watching all these things. He was surprised. He was very happy that butterflies are so much close friends. They are very close friends. They are not leaving each other. So sun was surprised and he was very happy. He was pleased to see the love and care among the butterflies. He was pleased to see what a true friendship is there. What a love and care they are showering on each other. So he chased the clouds away. So the sun has chased the clouds away and it stopped raining, and the rain was stopped because he has chased the clouds. The sun dried the butterfly's wings. The sun has dried the butterfly's wings. The three butterflies were happy again. Again, the three butterflies were very, very happy again. They danced in the garden. They danced in the garden among the flowers till evening. When night fell, the three butterflies went to sleep together. After the night, they sleep together. So this is the story about three butterflies. Children, you have to read the lesson like how I read this lesson. You have to read with good pronunciation, with good intonation, and you have to understand the story. And similarly, so you have to understand the content also. See here, the three butterflies are very good friends. The story tells the importance of a good friendship. Good friendship like this, they should not leave each other in difficult situations. They should stay with each other in all the situations. And similarly, you have to pronounce each and every word very clearly. So I hope you have understand this lesson very, very clearly, and you should learn the glossary items, learn the difficult words. You have to read the difficult words with spellings, and you have to read the meanings too, like nectar, a sweet liquid produced by plants and collected by bees. And secondly, shelter. What is shelter? A place that protects one from bad weather. Pebbles, small stones. Dismay, a feeling of unhappiness and disappointment. Chased, ran after someone or something to catch them. So these are the difficult words which is present in this lesson. So please read the lesson carefully and understand the lesson, understand the content, and you read the lesson with good pronunciation and intonation. Thank you very much, students. Thank you very much. Your YU Mama Shows.